Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome to the Katy Command 66-Day Challenge 9.0, and today is day 0. Today we're just going to focus on a little bit of background, some setup, making sure you have access to everything you need to have access to in order to have an enjoyable challenge experience. As a little bit of background, this is the 9th KW Command 66-Day Challenge. Why is it 66 days? We learn from Gary Keller, Jay Papasan, in the one thing that on average it takes 66 days to set a habit. And so that's why we chose 66 days of command videos to get you fully immersed into our KW technology, learning it inside and out, and then using it on a daily basis. So starting tomorrow, we'll be posting one video per weekday. My goal for those videos is to be about 5 to 8 minutes long. There might be a couple that go a little bit longer, but I have a short attention span, and I found that most realtors do as well. So short and sweet, to the point. We'll move through applet by applet. So we'll start off with a few videos inside of settings, making sure command is set up the way we need it to be set up. And then we'll dive into contacts, tasks, smart plans, and so on and so forth, working our way all the way through each one of those applets. Where can you follow the video series? So 3 different places. First of all of these videos do get posted to my YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube and search Marty Miller with KW, or just put in this direct URL, youtube.com /Marty Miller with KW, you'll get my channel. You can have the opportunity to subscribe to that channel and get all of the updates on a regular basis when those videos get posted. So that's option number 1. Subscribe, click the notification bell once you've signed in, start getting notifications from YouTube, and follow the videos on YouTube itself. You can also visit kwcommand669.com. You can see that here, kwcommand669.com. You'll get access to this Google Sheet. This is the same sheet I've been using for the last several challenges. So at the very bottom, you will see 8.0. Here's all of the videos from 8.0, and you can see what 9.0 will look like once it's done. So these are clickable links, so each one of these will link to the specific video that it references. You can see I go back to 7.0, 5.0, 4.0. I've got some Teams information. I've got command in Spanish. Now, it may be a little outdated, but we do have some Spanish videos there. I'm sorry, French. Unfortunately, I had to take down some of the Spanish videos, so we might do that in the future again, but here you go in French, and then some Command MC training as well. But 9.0, this is where I'll be posting all of those videos, kwcommand669.com. Finally, I do have a Facebook group. Feel free to join that as well. So you can come down here to Facebook. You can search for Keller Williams Command 66-Day Challenge. Unfortunately, I've got too many subscribers to change the URL, so there's still a little throwback reference there to Kelly. So you can see that, facebook.com/groups/Kelly 66-Day Challenge. So feel free to use any one or all of those methods. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow the Google Sheet, join the Facebook group. Several different options for you there. What's different in 9.0 than 8.0? Not much, to be honest with you. We've had several updates, but not overwhelmingly new updates. So a lot of the videos will be similar to videos of the past, but the user interface, what the screen looks like, may be a little bit different. Now, I will tell you when we get into things like smart plans and websites, both of those that have had some pretty big overhauls since last videos. So those will look new. But if you're a brand new agent, hey, it's all brand new. Feel free to follow along. But if you do want to get ahead, or if you have a specific item you want to learn more on, feel free to jump back to 8.0 and watch those videos as well. If you make comments on the YouTube channel, I do my best to respond to those, so feel free to check that out. But if you have any specific tech questions, I always recommend that you use your in-house resources at your market center, whether that's your market center technology trainer, your team leader, or at the regional level, your regional technology trainer as well. That's it for today, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and as always, I look forward to speaking with you again real soon.